Energaia, and we've created our proprietary bioreactor technology to produce spirulina. And because they're closed tanks, we do that in a very high quality, contamination-free way. And then we've consumer-facing brand called Spring Spirulina, which we use to sell globally. So our mission is to spread quality spirulina food. We do the spread we do through our accessibility, which includes rural community programs. We have partnerships with Gates Foundation and WWF and United Nations Environmental Fund to do programs in rural Bangladesh and Indonesia and Thailand for income improvement and livelihood creation and nutritional health benefits. Our quality is from our QA program and our proprietary technology that you'll see more of. Spirulina is a superfood microalgae that's really high in nutritional value that I'll show you a bit about. And then our foods or product portfolio, which is a big one that includes a lot of mainstream or mass market food products, because we believe that we want spirulina to move away from being a niche product to a mass market consumer ingredient based in multi mass market products. So we have our own lab where we maintain master culture of spirulina in pristine conditions. And then we have a large farm in Thailand and other large farms in development where we grow spirulina in these closed tanks, which is a low-cost bioreactor system outdoors under natural conditions. And then we have a processing facility that we've set up in Bangkok, and then another one in Bangladesh, where we process the spirulina that's grown at the farms and then use it as an ingredient in products. We have a diverse team of experts in various functions, a lot of science and engineering related, but also now a growing sales team. And we also, I forgot to include on here, IT as well, because we have our own software-based platform that we use to manage our farms. And in 2022, we plan to offer our technology broader commercially. We have 3 pilot customers using our system right now, but next year we plan to actually commercialize our production technology as an offering with online training, all the documentation online, and a software platform for farm management that we use for our own farms right now, and we're continuously improving. Spirulina has a tremendous positive impact on the environment. It's about 1% of the water content per kilo of protein produced compared to most traditional sources, or less than 1%, as you can see all the way on the right-hand side of this graph. It's photosynthetic, so it produces oxygen by consuming CO2, it's in the middle, and it's incredibly high in nutritional value. So we have several strains of spirulina from around the world, and we do natural strain selection, not GMO, to find beneficial conditions for high temperature survivability and other such. We have our technology, and we have a wide range of food products. And then we have these service innovations that I mentioned earlier as well. So our mass market food products include ice creams, veggie snack chips, pastas, etc. The market trend is looking for this because there's a huge uptick in many of the developed markets and growing concerns in the developing markets for sustainable production of foods, alternative or plant-based proteins, and just having more nutrition and transparency in one's diet. And also, there's a tremendous pressure on protein, as we all know, because of the fact that the population is growing and traditional protein sources are not sustainably able to keep up with the demand growth. So, spirulina can be widely accepted. These are local dishes from a cooking competition that we had in Indonesia, where rural people added spirulina to their local dishes, and they came out really nicely, and they were all accepting of it. Spirulina can be used as an egg replacement in baked goods, as I'll show you in the next slide. And so this is baked goods where you could use it as a frosting or as an actual ingredient. And then it can be also used in finished products. As I said, we export frozen spirulina and pasta and dry powder to Singapore. We sell those in Thailand. We have exported to the US, to Switzerland. We're about to send a shipment to Peru, and we're trying to expand our global network right now. So that's my time. I think I'm just at 5 minutes. And